Welcome to Python for Beginners, Part 2 Variables. So let's get started. So what actually are variables? Variables store data, label information, and can contain string, number, or Boolean values. To create one, type in the name of your variable, type the equal sign, and input the value. Strings contain words or sentences. To create a string, simply add quotation marks. Numbers, if you haven't guessed already, contain numbers. To make a number, just type in a number. It's that simple. Booleans store true or false values. Simply type true or false, but be aware of the capitalization. Demonstration time. Okay, so for the string, the variable will be called name and equals Tom, and for the number, age equals 11, and for the Boolean, is equals true. Once again, be aware of the capitalization. The end. Please like, share, and consider subscribing.